In this video, you will learn how to fix Cash App paper money not showing up. If your paper money deposit is not showing up on Cash App, follow these simple steps. First, check your deposit location. Make sure the retail location where you added the paper money is partnered with Cash App. Only specific stores like Walgreens and CVS support adding cash to your Cash App account. You can find a nearby participating location using the Add Cash feature in the Cash App. Ensure the transaction was complete. When you add paper money at the participating location, you can ensure the cashier successfully proceeds the transaction and gave you a nice clean receipt. If they didn't complete the transaction properly, it may not show up in your account. Wait for the processing time. Paper money deposits can take up to 1 to 2 hours to show up in your Cash App balance, depending on the location and time of day. If it has been less than that, wait a little longer to see your deposit appear. Check for receipts or confirmation. After adding the fund, you should receive a receipt with a confirmation number. Double check the receipt to ensure that the transaction was done properly. Verify your Cash App balance. Ensure you have checked the correct amount of balance. You can view your balance by going to the banking balance section in the app. After that, log out and log back in. Sometimes refreshing the app can help. Try logging out of Cash App and logging back in to see if deposits do appear. Clear cache. If you're an Android user, clearing the app's cache can help you resolve this issue. Go to the settings, apps, Cash App, storage, and clear cache, then reopen the app. If none of the above works, contact Cash App support. If your paper money still isn't showing up after waiting for hours and troubleshooting, contact Cash App support. You can reach them through the app directly if you go to Profile, Support, Something Else, Cash App Deposit Issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.